Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google form to your Google spreadsheet in Make with no stress at all. So we are not using Zapier, we are not using NXN. When you come to your Make, click on this icon here, scenarios. You will see create scenario, click on create scenario, and it brings you to this interface. Now, when it brings you to this interface, you won't be seeing Google Forms and Google Sheets. You'll be seeing trigger. So when you click on that trigger, you will have to select your Google Form, right? And when you select Google Form, it brings you to this interface right here. So the connection is you connecting to your Google account. You can sign in with Google if you want to. Then your form ID is you getting the form ID, but you don't have to copy the form ID. All you just have to do is click on this search here, get your form name. Do you know the name of your form? Yes, copy it. Look at my form here. Just like this, my form, this is the name. I copy it. Then I come back to my Make, I paste it right here, I click OK, it searches for it, and boom, my form ID appears. That's all. And make sure your limit is here 1. Then click on save, and you have just connected your Google form. The next thing, which is the action model, you click on Google, you click on it, select your Google Sheet as your app. Your connection is you connecting to your Google Sheets. You can sign in with Google as well. Close it. Then the search method, let it be searched by paths. The drive, select my drive, right? Then the spreadsheet name, you go to your Google spreadsheet just like we went to our Google form. Get your Google spreadsheet name and put it right here, right? Then your sheet name is usually sheet 1, except you have to change the name yourself. And the table contains headers, yes. Now the next thing is values in columns. Now in my Google Sheet, I have timestamp, I have full name, I have email address, I have phone number, and these are the details I am collecting from my form. Look at my form here. You can see the name, the phone number, the email, right? So these are the same thing I'm collecting from my form, and the same thing I'm saving in my Google Sheet. So when you click on any of these empty columns, the things I'm collecting from my forms comes up here. When you click on any of them, you can see it automatically comes into this column. And that's how you fill in these extra columns for yourself. These ones you didn't give a name, leave them empty. And just by doing that, look down here, you see a save button, click on it. And that is it. So we have just connected our Google form to our Google Sheet. So try this out. Go to your Google Sheet, go to your Google form, fill the form, then check if it saves your Google Sheet. Yeah, if you have any struggles, drop in the comment section. We'll be reading them. Thank you.